Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Workshop for All. In my previous class I dealt with uses of some conjunction. Today I am going to deal with conjunctional phrases. What is the meaning of conjunctional phrase? That means it's a phrase made of certain conjunctions. As we saw in the case of prepositional phrase. So the first one is as if. As if it is a conjunctional phrase of manner. It is followed by past indefinite after a present tense, and after a past tense it is followed by past perfect. For example, she looked as if she had been weary. She looked as if she had been weary. Next example is Hari behaves as if he were my boss. Observe that the action in present tense, but we are using where in the subject he. It should be was, but sometimes in the case of wishes or like that, we use were. I wish, for example, I wish I were millionaire. Here, instead of was, I am using were. Similarly, with here also, we can use were. It is used to convey the sense of present. We use this conjunction to convey the pretension of a person what he is not, as if. Here one thing is to be remembered. As if is used as one conjunction. It cannot be separated as one side if another side. It cannot be done like that. If the action describes in the present tense, the verb used in the sentence will be were. Once again repeating it. If the action describes in the present tense, the verb used in the sentence will be were, irrespective of number and person of the subject. For example, he is behaving. It is in present tense. So, he is behaving as if he were mad. He were mad. Next point is, if the action described in the sentence is in past tense, the verb used in the sentence will be had been, irrespective of the nature and number of the subject. For example, he was running as if he had been mad. He was running as if he had been mad. Next is as though. Second one, as though. It is same as if and used in similar way. So the next one is even if. Even if. It is a conjunctional phrase of condition. The first one and the second one was the conditional phrase of manner, whereas this one, the third one, is conjunctional phrase of condition. It is used as under he will not help you even if you were. He will not help you even if you requested him. Sorry, he will not help you even if you request him. Second one is many customs are unjust even if they are followed strictly. Next one is as much as. In as much as, it is a conjunctional phrase of reason. It is used in the following way. The officer will not accept this offer in as much as it amounts to a bribe. My father rejected my request in as much as he thought it is improper. Next one is in order that. or so that. Both, in order that, so that. It is a conjunctional phrase of purpose and mean so that. It is used as follow. I go to her house so that I may see her. The notice was circulated in order that everyone might read it. Next is rather than. It is a conjunctional phrase of comparison. It is used as I would die rather than still, or she would have a pen rather than a pencil. Next one is on condition that or provided that. This is a conjunctional phrase of condition. It is used as follow. The teacher will pardon you on condition that you do not repeat it. Another example, you may take my bike provided that you return it before 10 p.m. Next conjunction is as soon as. As soon as, it means at the moment, that, or not later than the moment. It is used to denote two actions taking place at the same time. That is, first action is immediately followed by the second action. Here, it is to be remembered that as it is clear, there should be two actions in the sentence and both actions must take immediately one after another. Second point is, this conjunction is used in all tenses. And the third point, if both the actions mentioned in the sentence concern the same subject, it should appear in both the clauses constituting the sentence. But if the action mentioned in the sentence concern two different subjects and both the sentences are interrelated, both subjects should be mentioned with their respective action. For example, its formula is as soon as plus subject plus first action plus subject then second action. As soon as he entered the class, the students kept silence. So, next is as well as. As well as is a cumulative conjunctional phrase. It is used to express the sense of also. Here, we have to remember that it can used when there are two subjects. It can be used when there are two subjects and action or quality is one. But it cannot be used when subject is one or more than two subjects. Next point is when two subjects are joined by as well as, the verb always agrees with the first subject. Both and as well as cannot be used together in the same sentence. Its structure is subject 1 plus as well as plus subject 2 plus verb or helping verb then quality or action. Sorry. Ram as well as his friends is playing. Ram as well as his friends is playing. Ram. According to Ram, the verb has been used here. It is incorrect to say both Rita as well as Radha are intelligent. We should not say like that. But we can say Rita as well as Radha is intelligent. Instead of are, we have to use is. Next is no sooner dash dash than. No sooner dash dash than means immediately when or after. It is the negative of as soon as. It also expresses two actions taking at the same time. Regarding the use of this conjunction, we must remember that it should be used in the sentence of present and past tenses only. There should be two actions in the sentence in which this conjunction is used. The second action must occur at the same time or should follow just after the first action. Next is placement of the subject is same as in case of as soon as. Its structure is no sooner plus do, does or did. Here we are using do, does or did. Or had plus subject 1 plus first action plus then plus subject 2 plus second action. For example, no sooner do I see my brother than I stop playing. No sooner do I see my brother than I stop playing. No sooner does Ram see his friends, he stops working. Then he stops working. No sooner did I come out than it started raining. In this way. Next is then cannot be replaced by when or any other words. No sooner than. This then cannot be replaced by when or any other words. Next is hardly or scarcely. Hardly or scarcely dash dash when means just a short time before. It is followed by when. It is also used to express two actions taking place at the same time. For example, hardly had he seen his beloved when he stopped working. Hardly he had seen his beloved when he stopped working. So its structure is hardly or scarcely, had plus subject plus first action plus when plus subject plus second action. Scarcely had he entered the office when the phone rang. Next is as long as or so long as. It expresses time during which an action or event takes place. Both as long as or so long as express the same meaning, but there is some difference in their use. For example, as long as is used to express an affirmative sense, whereas so long as expresses both affirmative and negative sense. For example, as long as I am with you, nobody can harm you. As long as. So long as he is honest, nobody can sack him. Negative. This much for today. If you like my video, please like it and share it and comment in the comment box. Thank you.